Does a bunny make? That's the question. I don't know. Pew, 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 pew. Alright. Yeah, now we're ready. Alrighty, we finally got a good setup. Now, let's start. Oh, I thought about something I can use. Wait! If you don't know, then now you know. I said I was going to reuse these, and now I am. Ha 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 ha. Now I can start. Also, quick disclaimer. All of the goodies and stuff in which I bought, they were purchased weeks and weeks ago before it got as bad. Hi, Treasure. What are you doing? Hi. You want to come here? Okay. No, not. Okay, come in my lap. Come on. Alrighty. Dang dog. So, special guest. You got the bunny and the dog now. What I was saying was all of these were bought weeks ago before how hectic it has become in my area. So saying that, they've been aired out. They have been Lysol wiped down and everything before I started doing this. And but safety reasons, we're just gonna still use the gloves. So, what are you doing? You're messing up the video. Treasure. Alrighty, so she's not paying me no money. Let's get started, because I'm happy and I'm ready. Let's go. Pyong, pyong. What do bunnies say? Hop, hop, pyong, pyong. I don't. Let's start. It's okay. I scared my dog away. And I made a tally sheet of how many pieces of candy came inside each bag, so I can try and hopefully divide these up relatively equally, along with I ate a few pieces, but you know, we ain't gonna talk about that. My mom's bag, little Easter thingy. Don't underestimate the importance of a body language. Ha! The men out there don't like a lot of blabber. They think the girl who gossip is a bore. So I have how many ladybugs? 15 ladybugs. Maybe I should do ladybugs last. Yeah, I'll do ladybugs last. Oh, my arm. Changing positions. Hi. Come over here. Over here. Over there. No. Hey, come over here, come. You leaving? Biggest struggle. Alrighty. Chocolate Easter eggs. Crispy Easter eggs. Snickers. If anything, I'm causing cavities this quarantine. Brush your teeth, folks. This one is for my mom, but it's also kind of for me too. So, you know. Spreading a little joy. Almost done. Oh, that's so cute. Alright, time skip. This is going to take me a while. So, finished all of everyone's stuff. The last thing is to get my mom to deliver everything because she's the one that's able to go. Because she's the one that's able to go outside. So she's gonna go deliver them, and then I'll be able to set up her thing downstairs and be like, surprise, happy Easter, and so forth. Now we just have to get down the steps with everything inconspicuously. Let's go. All right, let's go. Okay. Yeah. So, she didn't go deliver the Easter stuff yet. My camera died. What else happened? I hurt my butt. Yeah. Other than that, I'm just waiting for her honestly to go. She's not gonna go until 6 o'clock when people are off the clock from working at home. And it's like 3. My flashlight is really killing my eyes. So I'm about to put her stuff right here and go back upstairs and take a nap and end this. I'm so happy I got these from the dollar store. Mom has a matching pair. Hers are yellow, and yeah, but let me just get her stuff straight and then I'm going back upstairs. Yay! I'm making myself cringe. Pew, pew. Alright, it's all done. That's her Easter basket thingy, and inside the eggs are the rest of the gummies. That's her card, her bunny, and yeah. And here goes me, because I'm about to sign off. So, thank you. I hope you had a great Easter. This is how my Easter went. You know, bunnies and all that good stuff, because my friend overseas told me that bunnies go pyong 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 pyong. I don't know. So before I continue to embarrass myself, thank you so much for coming. I hope you have a good Easter. Stay safe, stay healthy, and until next time, there I go. Easter.